The Member of Parliament of Germany, Florian Müller, has called upon the need for a proactive cyber-security policy at international level. Speaking at the panel discussion on cyber security in comparative Indian and German context at NEHU today, Müller said that there is a need to have a common ground at the international level. According to him, there must be an agreement on which is okay and what needs to be banned in the cyberspace, adding that there must be an instrument for punishment of rule violation. Stating that India is an economic powerhouse and hotspot of digitalization, the German MP said that India's achievements are outstanding.
We must have a proactive cybersecurity policy at international level. We have a rule-based order on the oceans and we need an international order in cyberspace. We have to find a common ground on the international level. We must agree on what is okay and what should be banned in cyberspace. And we must have instruments for punishing rule violations.